हेलो फ्रेंड्स, आज हम देखेंगे फंडामेंटल ऑफ नर्सिंग का पार्ट 2, जिसमें हम देखेंगे 50+ इंपॉर्टेंट क्वेश्चन जो कि आगामी नर्सिंग भर्ती परीक्षा के लिए महत्वपूर्ण है। तो स्टार्ट करते हैं हम। नेक्स्ट 51 क्वेश्चन, कर्व और कुड कैथेटर हैव? राइट आंसर ए, राउंडेड कर्व टिप। नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन, द पेशेंट विद ब्लीडिंग इसोफेगस वेरिक्स कैन बी ट्रीटेड विथ Sangastecan Blackmore tube. In caring for the patient with this type of tube, the nurse should be most alert for. Right answer is C, airway obstruction. Next question, the skin is saved prior to surgery in order to. Right answer is B, to prevent wound infection. Next, when interpreting the result of the test, tap on urine organ indicate. Right answer is C, 3 plus sugar. Next question, quantity of sodium chloride required to make 1 liter of normal saline is. Right answer is C, 9 grams. Next question, a patient is to be started on an internal feeding. What important steps should nurse take before the patient in start on internal feeding? 56. Right answer is B, access the understanding of internal feeding. Next question, why doing CPR the compression ventilation ratio is an adult should be? 57. Right answer is B, 30:2. Next question, a 4-year-old client was brought to the health center with chief complaint of severe diarrhea and the passage of rice water. The client is most probably suffering from which condition? 58. Right answer is B, uh, cholera. Next question, you are irrigating a draining wound with sterile saline solution. Which of the following would be the most appropriate procedure to follow? Right answer is B, wash hands, wear clean gloves, remove soil dressing, remove gloves, wash hand, wear sterile gloves, prepare sterile field. Next question, the diagnosis meningitis, which type of sample is collected? Right answer is B, CSF. Next question, a patient who decide to leave the hospital against medical advice, lama, must sign a form. What is purpose of this item? 61. Right answer A, to release the physician and hospital from legal responsibility for the patient health status. Next question, which of the following is not a parameter for Glasgow Coma Scale? Right answer is B, pupillary response. Next question, tracheostomy is usually performed between the tracheal ring of cartilage of. 63. Right answer is D, third and fourth. Next question, rice water stool is typical finding in cases of. 64. Right answer is A, cholera. Next question, patient has intravenous fluid infusing in the right arm. When taking a blood pressure on this patient, the nurse would. 65. Right answer A, take the blood pressure in the left arm. Next question, full form of CPR is. 66. Right answer A, cardiopulmonary resuscitation. Next question, infection non-sharp waste is collected in. 67. Right answer is D, red bag. Next question, what concentration of NaCl in intravenous fluid is termed isotonic? 68. Right answer is D, 0.90%. Next question, what is the other name of thumb forceps? Right answer is D, mouse teeth. Next question, surgical needles are. Right answer is D, all the above. 5/8 circle, straight 1/4 circle. Next question, a nursing intervention is through thrombophlebitis would be contraindicated. 71. Right answer is D, massaging the affected leg. Next question, the most effective position for women in labor with cord prolapsed is. 72. Right answer is B, Trendelenburg. Next question, a patient with acute pancreatitis has NG tube for low intermittent suction to prevent. Right answer 73C, pancreatic stimulations. Next question, intra intraocular pressure is measured with a instrument called. 74. Right answer A, tonometer. Next question, with aging blood pressure is often higher due to. 75. Right answer is B, decreased elasticity in arterial walls. Next question, eye padding is applied on unconscious patient to prevent. 76. Right answer C, corneal ulcer. Next question, AED stands for. 77. Right answer is D, automated external defibrillator. Next question, top priority treatment of ventricular fibrillations include. 78. Right answer is C, CPR. Next question, carotid pulse should be checked for. 79. Right answer is C, 5 to 10 seconds. Next question. In the following, which disease occur due to deficiency of thiamine? Right answer is A. Beriberi. Next question. Heimlich maneuver involves the following. Right answer is A. Abdominal thrusts. Next question. To prevent legal implication, what should be done by nurse during pre-operative period? 82. Right answer is B. Obtain written consent. Next question. Recommended disinfectant used for handling spill is 83. Right answer is B. 5% bleach solution. Next question. Chest compression in an unresponsive victim will be started. Right answer is C. After checking carotid pulse of the victim and find the pulse is absent. Next question. Clinical manifestations of anemia include except 85. Right answer is C. Hyperactivity. Next question. Universal precautions precautions in hospital involve 86. Right answer is D. All the above. Gloving, mask, gowning, hand washing. Next question. A patient of ventricular fibrillation is about to defibrillated. A nurse know that the convert these rhythm effectively. The machine should be set at which of the following energy level for the best delivery? 87. Right answer is A. 200 joules. Next question. Priority basis management of unconscious patient include 88. Right answer is C. Clearance of airway. Next question. Sizole and chloroxylenol are 89. Right answer is D. Phenols. Next question. In oliguria, volume of urine is 90. Right answer is B. Less than 400 ml. Next question. A comprehensive health assessment of an older person include 91. Right answer is D. All the above. Functional assessment, clinical assessment, psychological assessment. Next question. Management of cardiac arrest include except 92. Right answer is A. Massive IV infusion. Next question. Which of the following chemical is most powerful disinfectant? 93. Right answer is C. Phenol. Next question. During head injury, what is the cause of increase in body temperature? 94. Right answer is B. Hypothalamus injury. Next question. Temporary hardness of water is called as. Right answer is 95. C. Carbonate hardness. Next question. In patient of fever, fastidium is term given to which of the following trait? 96. Right answer is B. When body temperature has reached its maximum and remain constant. Next question. Anemometer is used to measure. 97. Right answer is B. Air velocity. Next question. Florence Nightingale was born in which country? 98. Right answer is C. Italy. Next question. What is the color coding of bag in hospital to dispose of human anatomical waste such as body parts? 99. Right answer is B. Yellow. Last question. Criteria of a profession include except. Right answer is C. In a profession, there is no place for higher education. Thanks for watching. Like and subscribe.